Welcome to some busy action with back-to-back train meets in the rolling hills of eastern Washington. This is BNSF's Lakeside sub beginning in Lind, where an eastbound intermodal train is meeting a westbound manifest train. They are both passing under the abandoned Milwaukee Road Pacific Extension line, which are those bridge columns you see on either side and in the middle. This is a segment of double-track main line, which is a common section for moving train meets like this. I know regular viewers might recognize this location from past videos, but if you're new, then please hit that subscribe button and give a like if you feel so inclined. The intermodal train is approaching the end of the double track section and has to slow for the switch to be thrown so it could continue east. Get a quick look at the town of Lind itself here. On another day, and less than a mile west, is a westbound loaded coal train which is about to meet an eastbound manifest train. This coal train is beginning the climb up the east side of Providence Hill, which isn't a heavy grade, but it is enough for loaded coal and grain trains to lose speed as they make their way up. This manifest train has empty trash boxes on the head end, which leads me to believe it's a Pasco to Spokane train. Stand close to those passing by and they do actually stink. This double track section is about 20 miles between Lind and Haddon, Washington, which is where this whole video takes place. I raced ahead to catch up to the coal train only to get lucky again and catch it meeting an eastbound empty grain train on one of my favorite curved sections of Providence Hill. This is only a few miles farther west, nearly at the crest of the hill right at Providence. One last meet is a few miles farther west at Beatrice with a westbound intermodal meeting an eastbound manifest. This is actually the same manifest we saw earlier with the garbage containers, and they are slow climbing the west side of Providence Hill, which is about a 1% grade. In the background here, I also caught what I believe was some field burning in the distance. I noticed quite a bit of this going on during this day, which was kind of surprising during the summer when fire danger is high. Everything appeared to be fine though. These clips will be part of a longer video featuring trains on BNSF's Lakeside sub during July 2025. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.